I recently did a video talking about a book giveaway that I'll be doing since I had hit 2.7 thousand subscribers. And I did the sign up as my last video. This one's going to be the book drawing. I've already gone through all of the comments down here to see who the different names are and what it was they were looking for. Over here is where I put it, and I'm going to hit randomize and we'll see who it is. All right, so we've got Matt Dowd at the top looking for the CCNA. Matt has 1 day to contact me on my YouTube channel. And then after that 1 day, if I haven't heard from Matt, then Joe will be the next up. And if I haven't heard from Matt or Joe on the 3rd day, it'll go to Gooped. And so Matt, hopefully you have your notifications turned on and you see the video. Joe, Gooped, and everyone else, feel free to email me early. You don't have to wait for your turn or for your day. So that way, say if Joseph were to send me their contact information, then if 4 days go by and I haven't heard from anyone, Joseph will have already reached out to me and I would have already had their mailing information. So then on the 4th day, I would just reach out to Joseph and say, hey, the book is yours. And with that said, the way in which you can contact me is if you go to my YouTube channel and you go to About, you can click on View Email Address and it's right there. So once I hear from somebody and I ship them the book, I'll be sure to comment down below and let everybody know that the book has a new owner. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for participating in the giveaway. And I'll see you in the next video.